Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Audacity in 2026. Keeping Audacity updated can give you access to new features, improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates. First, open Audacity and check the version you currently have installed. You can usually find version information through the Help or About section. Next, visit the official Audacity website and check whether a newer version is available for your operating system. If there is an update, download the appropriate installer from the official source. Make sure you select the version that matches your computer. Before installing the update, save any important Audacity projects you currently have open. It's also a good idea to close Audacity before running the installer. Open the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, the installer will update the existing installation without requiring you to manually remove the older version first. Allow the setup process to complete. The time required can vary depending on your computer and the version being installed. After installation, launch Audacity and check the About section again to confirm that the new version is installed. Then open a test project and verify that your audio devices, plugins, settings, and projects still work as expected. If you use third-party plugins, keep in mind that compatibility can vary between Audacity versions. If a plugin stops working, check whether the developer provides a compatible release. Don't delete your old projects just because you updated the application. Your project files should remain separate from the program installation. If the update causes unexpected behavior, check the official documentation and consider reviewing your settings or installed plugins. Once everything works correctly, you can continue using the updated version for your future recordings and editing projects. And that's how to update Audacity. Check your current version, download the latest compatible release from the official source, install it, and test your projects afterward. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next